One of the coolest features on your Fossil Smartwatch is that you can make and take phone calls straight from your watch speaker. In this video, we're going to show you how you can set up and answer or call someone using your Gen 5e smartwatch either from Android or iPhone. After your watch's initial setup, you will get prompted to set up your phone call functions. If you swipe up and open notification panel, you might find it there as well. Just in case you have missed it, don't worry. There is another way that you can set it up later. For that, when you're on your watch face, press on the watch crown to open app screen. Here, just look for phone app. Now, first of all, you can access your call history and contacts from here. But before that, go to settings to answer preference. And if you want to accept and make calls both using your watch, just select the first option, accept and answer on watch option. At the same time, on your Android or iPhone, just open the Bluetooth section, go to Fossil's settings, and make sure it's selected for phone calls. And that's it. All set. You can now take and make phone calls right from your watch speaker. Just make sure your watch is at your phone's Bluetooth range, and that's all. And that's how easily you can take and make calls from your Fossil smartwatch. Thanks for watching.